Thanks for joining us today. For our executive briefing, we're going to talk about how Uber currently creates and captures value for the company and its stakeholders. We're Team D4. So when we think about how value is created and captured around addressing the problem of mobility for a company like Uber, we understand that it isn't just a matter of creating cars for rideshare purposes, but developing mobility solutions that benefit the individuals and society. Uber's holistic automotive ecosystem is a radically different way of looking at technology assets built with one overarching function to another. The purpose is to better understand, serve, and realize the value created and captured for Uber's stakeholders in the US. We explore this ecosystem in 4 main buckets. And finally, we'll close with our findings on how Uber can continue to create and capture value in the next 5 years. Buckle up, sit back, relax, and thanks for riding with us today.
Platforms such as Uber have seen many positive trends emerge as a result of the global pandemic. Uber has endured and pivoted to other verticals to mitigate the temporary industry slowdown, better serving its customers. These verticals, for example, are new offerings within the platform such as Uber Eats, grocery delivery services, and Uber Freight, meaning both a shift in supply and demand. Fast forward to today, current trends project the market to grow substantially, while recent focus in AI, sustainability, and full driving spur positive customer feedback and continued innovation in the space. Uber is well positioned to generate substantial value by enhancing its network effects through its existing large market share.
Some trends that have negatively impacted the automobile industry, especially for the likes of Uber, are 1, declining margins, 2, health and safety concerns, 3, increased competition, 4, driver retention and labor issues. These trends have not only impacted Uber, but also other companies in the same space. Uber has been able to withstand the impact because of its strong position, which it created through a strong network. Uber can further expand its network of drivers and riders, and also use data analytics to predict and improve upon their service, as well as improving driver retention to maintain their strong position. Information asymmetry exists with Uber's system because it enforces blind acceptance of passengers by drivers who are not shown the passenger's destination or how much they will earn on the fare.
COVID-19 pandemic severely impacted Uber and the rideshare industry overall. Uber's US ridership was down 70% as of April 2020. This was consistent with competitors. Total revenue fell 16% in 2020, even with strong revenue growth for Uber delivery. In response, Uber focused on innovation, and examples include developing a ready-to-ride safety check for riders and creating financial assistance program for drivers diagnosed with COVID-19. Most significantly, the company deployed resources to increase quality interactions on their platform by refining and promoting Uber delivery and freight. Uber's response was successful for investors as well, due to increases in revenue and gross bookings in 2021 and 2022. Uber was able to grow and diversify its platform as a result of pandemic response.
Uber's partnerships with auto manufacturers has enhanced network effects to create value for its stakeholders. In 2016, Uber set out on a mission to make cars more affordable for its drivers. Uber did this by partnering with Toyota to create new affordable leasing options, as well as General Motors to provide budget rental car opportunities. This in turn enhanced a cross-site network effect as it attracted more drivers to Uber's platform, which led to more users. It also strengthened its implicit network effect against competitors by recruiting more drivers and expanding user base. Value was created for each of Uber's key stakeholders. Auto manufacturers generated new revenue streams with its outreach to Uber drivers. Uber drivers appreciated more affordable car options, which enhanced their earnings potential and their quality of life. And Uber users were provided value by improving convenience and reducing wait times when using the platform.
Uber's future direction should be towards diversifying their portfolio while focusing on sustainability, safety, and loyalty. Uber has significant headroom to diversify their revenue streams across Uber Delivery and Uber Freight to become one-stop-shop solution and adopt the mobility as a service model. After pandemic, delivery itself increased 3 times. Next, Uber should focus on electric vehicles to meet growing demands for sustainable transportation and reduce carbon emissions. Uber has recently partnered with Spark to become 50% electric rides platform across European cities by 2025. Finally, Uber should upgrade their customer safety and loyalty programs by enhancing their driver screening and training processes, in-app safety features, and offering rewards and loyalty programs to customers. Thank you.